Everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we're going to use some new Cricut products to make some Christmas gift tags. I'm going to be using this smart label material here. They have white, clear, and black, as well as these permanent markers available in multiple colors. I love these colors right here. And we also have some pretty cool new Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl in awesome colors, so definitely check those out too. I end up not using any of those today, but you could definitely layer the clear printable tags on top, or writable tags on top as well, so check those out. First thing I'm going to do is import a gift tag design just to give me a nice place to start, as well as a good size. Not quite sure what I'm going to do here yet, so we're just going to play around a bit with this piece. I do know it's for some Christmas gifts, so I'm going to start labeling those. Picking fonts as well, trying to find a Christmassy one, but also we want one that's going to look good with the writing style. Couple different choices here. Once I change this to the pin I want, you can see that the writing style only does the outline. That's okay. If we want to fill it in later, we can always go back in with the pin and fill it in. But for now, I'm just going to put the writing style on here as it is. Make sure you remember to go back into the design that you picked and changed that to pin, as well as select the pin color and size that you want. Definitely check out the links below. I will link all of the new products in the description box below if you're interested in any of it. They are Cricut affiliate links. I do get a small commission based on if you purchase anything, but it's very small and it's no cost to you. I also want to thank Cricut for sending me these products to review for you. Now I wanted to do something fun, so I imported this image as well, and I just deleted from the whatever family it had on there. You can absolutely put that back on, but I'm just playing around trying to find some cute little tags to go on this Christmas present for my niece. Just to keep with the size, I'm going to be using the same size outline, and then we will attach them so that they match up. Now we're going to look for another one. Trying to look for something fun in here. I am using the designs that are already in Cricut Design Space. I have some really cool designs in here, both for access, and they do have some without access as well. If you're interested in purchasing access, I will link that below as well. Thinking something that says do not open until Christmas. I also want to do a tag for my husband, Chuck, so looking for something fun for him as well. So this one's fun, but switching it to a pen style, I really didn't like how it ended up. So this would be one that I would highly recommend using, but layering or printing and cutting instead of drawing. So I'm going to go back and change these pins before I forget. So we're going to try something a little different. We're going to select cut and draw so that I don't get that layered one again, and see which ones they have that are already set up for cut and draw. Oh, I really like this gift bag. It's got multiple colors, so I can showcase the pins a little bit more. This little eye is saying that the pins option that's already selected isn't supported, so I'm just going to update that. And I almost forget to update it to the marker that I'm using. I'm not using a fine pen, I am using a marker for all of this. I want to change all of them. I love these metallic markers. Definitely try those out if you haven't already. We're going to add her name in this bag right there in the space in the middle. And now oh, I found this do not open until December 25th. I like that one as well. This one's not already set up as a draw and cut, so we're just going to set it up real quick. We're going to change the pin, and then we're just going to do an offset. The offset lets you cut just the outline, which is great for stickers or cutouts like this, for tags, things like that. So I'm just finding the right size that I want for this offset. And then make sure you attach those as well. Looking at some of the projects that they have in there in Design Space, they have some really cool projects in here as well. You can put a card along with your gifts. Trying to play around with the labels, see if they have anything set up, and it doesn't look like they do, so I'm going to go back to the images and just look for something fun for my husband. Here we go, this Santa. We live in Florida, so this Santa in a pool float is pretty cool. Make sure I change all that to markers as well. I'm just going to copy the font that's used in this Merry Christmas for his name. And change the color of that. And I like the green, so we're going to go with green and change the background color of this to white. So there we have it. I'm just going to attach all of them, make sure I didn't forget any. And also double check the pin color. I do end up messing up, or not messing up, but not turning the two blacks as the same color, so I do end up having an extra step in there, but that's okay. So now let's go ahead and get over to, oh, we're gonna size it a little bit, sorry. And then we'll go ahead and get over to creating it. So we'll push these wonderful Cricut Joy Smart Vinyls out of the way. We ended up not using those, but definitely keep in mind you can use these smart labels to draw something and then layer it on top of a colored piece. So use the translucent one and then put it on top of any of these amazing colors of smart vinyl. I'm not going to use those today, so I'll put them aside. And I'm going to hook up my Cricut Joy just so it's easier to show you guys on video. You can absolutely do the same thing with any of the Cricut machines. So I'm going to end up using the translucent one and the white one. I'll have to use the black one next time to show you. They also have some really cool opaque gel pins that I think would be amazing on these black ones. So I'll try that out in my next video for you guys. I'm going to get this hooked up. So you want to select without matte because we're using the Smart Vinyl. Smart Label, apologies. Make sure everything is where you want it to be. And I'm going to be using 2 sheets. So the first one I'll do clear, the second one I'll do white. And then you want to pick the Smart Labels. Then it'll tell you step by step what pin to enter or put it. So the first one we're going to do is red. And then I will go ahead and play the rest or show you the rest of it as I switch through as well, changing each pin. It is sped up just a little bit, but I will change the pin as the prompts tell me to, and we'll check back here at the end.